One of our biggest projects that we've undertaken at the Maples has been landscaping the back garden. So we've gone from horrible concrete slabs with these big brick planters separating the space to a nice open plan landscaped area. So this video shows exactly what we've had to do to get it into the position it's in today. We moved concrete and more concrete and more concrete. Bricks, the bricks that we've taken out here, we actually reused, which you'll see later on in the video. We've moved them several times to store them. Mason chipped off the old mortar so that we could reuse them. It's actually turned out really well. The brick planter around the second tree we took down and used reclaimed oak sleepers that we were given to create a new planter. We dug a big trench to get the electrics across to the garage and also then electrics for the outdoor kitchen. Next stage was digging holes for the posts, so we marked them out with string line. Then started digging holes. You can see the concrete there. This was an old garage base and they just collapsed in on itself, so the ground was awful. So posts going in, more concrete left over from digging, and then this series of photos shows you how we cleared the ground, prepped it. We had to move a lot of material to get this level. We used scalpings, whacker plated it down. Then we had a fine layer to go on the top. Bricks, so these are the bricks that we reused from the planters that we took down. We didn't quite have enough. We had to match about 100 bricks in that we got from a local builder's merchant. But really happy with how that turned out. Gravel grids, so one of our sons is in a wheelchair, so we've used gravel grids across the property to make sure that he can get around. So this was October 2024. And then the middle of last year, so 2025, we carried on custom made brackets for the big oak post to go into. Made a ring beam, then the roof structure is hung off. You can see at this point we had started to use the space even though we hadn't finished it. Getting the rafters on. Mason was a great labourer for Ben. So you can see it starting to take shape with the roof going on, celebrating, the plywood going on. So this is what it looks from the underside. We used DPM on the roof. We are planning at some point to do a green roof on there, so you can see that before in the corner there just how much the space has changed. So we've got a halogen heater that's hung there as well, so just to take the edge off when it's chilly in the evening. Lighting, we've done recessed lighting and task lighting that's switched on by a wireless switch. So you see the claddings going on. So we splashed out and got a nice pizza oven and another heater as well. And this is the almost 99% finished space.